everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all a facial using with just one ingredient, that is our lovely and favorite cucumber. So this facial will be including 4 steps. First will be cleanser, second will be scrub, third will be a massage gel or cream, and fourth will be a face pack. So for this, you will be needing a freshly cucumber extracted juice. You have to grate a cucumber and extract juice from it, and then we will use it in our facial. So I have grated this cucumber and extracted its juice over here, and the pulp is over here. We will not throw this pulp. This will be needed afterwards for some other thing. Now let us prepare our cleanser. For cleanser, we will be needing 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice, and this is our glycerine. We will be needing 1/4 tablespoon of glycerine, just this much, and we will be mixing these 2 ingredients to prepare our cleanser. And with a fresh cotton, we will apply this cleanser onto. So I have prepared this cleanser and I'm going to dab this into my skin for 30 seconds. We need cleanser to remove all the impurities from our face before we start facial, and I'm going to leave this for 30 seconds on my face. Instead of glycerine, use cucumber juice to cleanse your face. Apply it nicely onto your face, covering all parts, including your neck. Do not forget your neck. Now I've applied it all over my face, and I'll be leaving it for 30 seconds on my face. Now 30 seconds are over. I'm going to go and wash my face with cold water. Now wash my face, and this is how my skin looks like after washing my face. Now let us prepare for step 2, that is cleanser. So this is step number 2, in which we are going to prepare our scrub. For scrub, we will be needing these 3 ingredients. First is cucumber juice, second is rice flour. This is rice flour, coarsely grinded rice flour, and third is honey. I have taken Dabur honey. So first, I'll be taking about half a teaspoon rice flour, and for scrub like consistency, I'll add some honey to it. And mix it thoroughly. After mixing it well, I'll be adding about 1/4 teaspoon of cucumber juice and mix it properly. Rice gives us a brightening effect, and honey has moisturizing properties, while cucumber helps to soothe your skin. Now I'm going to apply this scrub all over my face, including neck. But first, let me spread some water on my face. Now I'm going to apply the scrub all over my face. Be generous and apply it all over, including your neck. want to scrub your areas including your T-zone, which is your forehead and area around your nose. Include your neck. Now massage your face for 2 to 3 minutes and gently massage your skin. Do not be harsh with your skin. And concentrate especially on your T-zones, including your forehead, part around your nose, and your chin. In circular light motions, you have to scrub all the dead skin cells away from your skin. Honey also has antibacterial properties, so if you have any acne, you can apply honey on your face and get a beautiful glowing skin. And rice is known for its brightening properties. It helps to brighten your face. After this, wash your face with cold water and we will prepare for step number 3. Now this is what my face looks like after scrubbing. It feels really smooth and soft. Now we will be preparing for our third step, which is massage gel. Now for our third step, which is massage gel, we will be needing these 3 products. First is aloe vera gel. You can also use plant-based aloe vera gel. Next is glycerine. You can also use honey instead of glycerine. Glycerine has cleansing properties which helps to cleanse your skin. Now we will be needing cucumber juice and also lavender essential oil. This is my lavender essential oil. Now I'll mix these 4 products. Some aloe vera gel, (1/4) teaspoon of glycerine, just 2 to 3 drops of lavender essential oil. This is optional. You can skip this part if you don't have lavender essential oil. And of course, our main ingredient, which is cucumber juice. We'll take only half teaspoon of cucumber juice and mix these well. Now this is what we have received. This is a gel-like consistency. We will apply this onto our face and massage for 10 to 15 minutes. Now this massage cream we'll apply on our face and massage generously and softly on our face. Massaging your skin is quite important as it firms and tones your skin and builds elasticity. We have added essential oil, which is lavender essential oil, which soothes your skin which is irritated from sunburn or any acne or rashes. But make sure you only add 2 to 3 drops of lavender essential oil. Don't forget to put this massage gel onto your neck. After applying it onto your face, just massage it generously in circular motions. In upward direction, do not go into downward direction. This increases blood circulation of your skin and gives it an enhanced look and adds glow to your face. Keep doing it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash off your face with cold water. Now this is what my skin looks like after massaging it with the massage gel. Now we'll prepare for the fourth and the final step, which is face pack. For face pack you will be needing 2 to 3 ingredients. This is Multani Mitti plus sandalwood powder mixed together. You can also use simply sandalwood powder or Multani Mitti. Now, next ingredient is rose water. This is from the brand Alps Goodness. And of course our cucumber juice. Take half teaspoon of cucumber juice and add half teaspoon of rose water to it. And mix well. Now we'll apply this face pack all over our face, including our neck, with our hands. Rose water is very good for your skin as it helps to soothe your acne and is really good for summertime. Apply it all over your neck. Leave it for until it dries up.
While
Now,
this face pack
these
dries up,
freshly
you
grated
can
pulp,
apply
which
these
we had
cucumber
extracted from the
pulp on your
cucumber.
eyes to
We'll
soothe your
apply
eyes.
it on
And
our
after this face pack
eyes.
dries up, you can wash it with cold water.
This is what my face looks like after the 4-step facial that we did just now. Isn't it beautiful and bright? That's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and love you all.